Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use Aceternity UI Library with React.js step by step. This is a beautiful and modern UI component library. We will review it, install it, and set it up in a React project. Let's get started. What is Aceternity UI? Aceternity UI is a collection of animated and creative components built using Tailwind CSS and Framer Motion. You can find it on their official site. It is free, open source, and very smooth in design. Perfect for modern websites and React apps. Let's quickly review some cool components on their website. These animations and designs are ready to use. You just need to copy and paste them into your code. I really love how clean and modern everything looks. Now let's set up Aceternity UI in a React app. I will show you how to create a new React project and install the required packages. Let's get started. That's it. Now your React app is using beautiful Aceternity UI components. You can explore more components and use them the same way. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. More React UI videos coming soon. Thank you for watching.